Hello, my name is Jack Jones.
And I'm Zachary Alexander, and this is our second project for aesthetic computing, and it's called StarNodes. Now what this is we're representing a AA linked list using the StarCraft 2 Galaxy Editor, and we'll show you how that's done in a second. Alright, so this is our instruction screen, and this shows basically how to use our program and how to select the different operations to perform on the list. Alright, so this is our menu selector, and this guy is used to either construct, destruct, or perform various operations on our doubly linked list. This is used to select the value of the data that's going to be put into the list, and this is used to decide what index to put the data in the list for some of the methods. Alright, so I'm going to take you through the different methods. The first one right here, this is the constructor, and this is what actually constructs the list and builds the first bunker, as you'll see when we do the demo. This gets the value of the data at a specified index. This right here adds a node to the end of the list, and this is used to add a node to a specific index. There are some more over here. This remove from end, of course, it removes the data from the end of the list. Remove at a specified index, and finally the deconstructor, which frees up all the data and destroys it. Alright, this is our memory allocator, and this is the guy that builds the bunker, which simulates the allocation of memory for the data in our list. This is the garbage collector, and this is what destroys the bunkers, simulating the freeing up of memory. And this is the CPU, which determines the values for the data that's going to be put into the list.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through some of these methods. First, we're going to go ahead and construct a list. Our memory allocator will come over here and create a memory location. There's nothing in it right now, it's null, but now our list exists and we have something to work with, so we're going to go ahead and add some values to it. First, we have the value set at 3 right now, so this should add a 3 to the end, which is really the beginning here. You see a Marine come out with a 3 tagged to his head, and he hopped in the bunker, and now there's a 3 on the bunker. We're going to go ahead and do that with, let's see, let's add a 5, and he'll come right ahead. I'll allocate some more memory. The null is at the end just to represent the end of the list, so that way this points to a null and it knows where to stop. And then we'll add 6. Okay, so now we have some values to work with. I'll show you adding at a specific index. So we'll set the specific index to 1. So maybe we want this to go 3, 4, 5, 6 instead of just 3, 5, 6. So we'll set the value to 4 and we set the index to 1 if we want to add it there. So the way singly linked lists work, everything at that value and forward has to move 1 link forward. Then that value can actually be inserted at that memory location. Also, this guy came and allocated 1 more spot of memory because we added a value to the list. So we'll do that again. We'll just add a 3, maybe right there. So we have some more stuff to work with. And maybe one more time we'll add a 7 at the beginning. So now, say you want to retrieve a specific value or retrieve the value at a specific index. The linked list should return the value to you, but keep it in memory, keep it at that spot. So we're going to go ahead and say index 3. So in that case, that should be 0, 1, 2, 3, this 3 right here. So if we say get index, you'll see it comes up here. He gets out. He does a little dance, just to say, hey, that's what's here, it's a 3, and then he gets back in and continues being stored at that memory location. So now I have some values to work with. I'll show you the remove methods. First, this should just remove from the end, so in this case the 6. And what will happen is the value will get out of the memory location, the garbage collector will destroy it, and some main links will come and destroy the memory location itself at the end, because this will be the new null value. So, now if you want to remove at a specific index, maybe this 4 here at spot 2, we'll choose index 2, and we go to remove index. What will happen is the value will come out, the garbage collector will destroy the value, everything at that index forward has to move back 1 link, and then some main links will come and destroy this last one, making this the new last null value. And finally, we'll go ahead and deconstruct the list. All our methods still work after you deconstruct the list. You can still make another one and work with it, but we're just going to go ahead and end the video here because that's all the methods. But what will happen here is the garbage collector will destroy each of the values and then proceed to destroy all of the memory locations with nuclear missiles. That's our project, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.